around my neighborhood, and I was going to show you guys what the malls are like in China. They're pretty massive, a lot bigger than what I'm used to in the West. A lot of Western stores here, of course. KFC, one of the most popular Western fast food chains here in China. There's Pizza Hut over here. Pizza Hut in China is a little different. In the West, it's just kind of a cheap pizza place you go to with your friends or family. But here in China, it's kind of a fancy restaurant. It's a little bit more expensive, the portions are smaller. But it's like a really fancy sit-down restaurant. It's kind of strange. Burger King. McDonald's is pretty common as well, but they don't have one in this mall. Yeah, let's head over here. We got Starbucks. Starbucks is very popular in China, and it's just as expensive as it is in the West. And I've seen bigger Chinese malls before. This one is just one of my local malls around my neighborhood. So it's nothing super special here in China, but compared to the West, it's huge. I've never been to the Mall of America in the US, but I've been to some pretty big ones. But the ones here in China are much larger. Look at this. Nike. You see? I'm gonna try and film in there really quick. They might kick me out though, we'll try. The Chinese renminbi is currently about 7 per $1 US. So 7 kwai per US dollar, so about 700 kwai or 680 kwai is about 100 US dollars. So you can get a reference. This one's about 90 US dollars. Shanghai, don't quit. Check this out. I'm sure you've never seen this in the West, or at least I haven't. Car dealership inside the mall. Let's go check it out, as well as a waterfall. A lot of Western brands that you're familiar with. Although some of the models are a little different. Ford Raptor. eaten here before. This one's actually a really fancy restaurant. Not so expensive, just the ambiance is pretty amazing. Got free snacks out here while you're waiting. There's little paths and pools and dry ice, and it's pretty amazing. Knockoffs in China are rampant, and there was a big brand of knockoffs for New Balance called New Bunren, and New Balance sued them, or they tried to sue them in China, but it didn't work, and so they're able to keep their company. And then there's even knockoffs of New Bunren. There's New Bairans and other things. Watson's is from Hong Kong, I believe, and you find it in Hong Kong, China, and I think maybe Taiwan. Burger King. Oh wait. Let's get out of here. These jewelry girls are pretty aggressive. This is Carrefour, popular supermarket from France. But anyway, that's where I was going to end the video. I have some shopping to do in Carrefour, and I was going to shoot a video in there as well. Video specific just for Carrefour. So I hope you guys enjoyed the mall. I only showed two sections. There's the big section where I'm at right now. The other section with the all the cars that they have for sale and restaurants over there. And there's a third section which is pretty huge as well. But I don't really need anything over there. I don't want to walk that far because it's a long ways away. But I hope you guys enjoyed the shopping mall in China. See you next time.